In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Gmail ID name quickly and easily. This is the name that people see when you send emails from Gmail, so if you want to update your display name, correct a typo, or use a more professional name, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/personal-info. This is the Google account page where you can manage your personal details, including your name, birthday, and contact information. Once the page loads, sign into the Gmail or Google account whose name you want to change. If you're already signed in, Google may take you directly to the account settings. After signing in, look for the section labeled Personal Info. This is where Google stores your basic profile details. Under Personal Info, you'll see an option for name. Go ahead and click on Name to open the editing page. On some accounts, you may need to click the name again to start making changes, so if the page opens in a view mode first, just select the name field one more time. Now you'll be able to enter your new first name and surname. Type in the exact name you want displayed when you send emails or use Google services. Take a moment here to make sure everything is spelled correctly, because this is the name other people will see in Gmail, Google Meet, and other connected Google products. Once you've entered the new name, click Save to confirm the change. Google may ask you to wait a moment while the update is processed. After that, your Gmail ID name should be updated across your account. Keep in mind that this changes your display name, not your Gmail email address itself. So your email address stays the same, but the name shown to recipients will now reflect your new details. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh Gmail or sign out and sign back in. That usually helps the new name appear everywhere. And that's it. You've now changed your Google Gmail ID name in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Google and Gmail how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.